So now that I have my first drawing, I want to bring the new drawing. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to go to the layout, and first I was making sure that I'm in the viewport. Okay, I'm going to go to the layout and I'm going to create the second one. So for second one, I don't know the right size, so I'm going to draw just a regular rectangle and put it right there. After that, I'm going to double click. Since it's not locked, I can zoom out and zoom in. I'm going to zoom it out, and I'm going to bring the second drawing, which is basically the section drawing that you draw in the assignment 6. So I'm going to go to the insert, go to the block, and see it didn't bring that, so I'm going to go all the way down and click on more option, and this time I'm going to browse and bring the section drawing. I'm going to click on the section drawing, and this time I don't know where I'm going to basically the correct location, so I'm going to put it as a specify on the screen, but I'm going to leave the scale as 1 1 1 and then the rotation as 0, and it's going to be unit is going to be the same because it's an inch unit. So I'm going to press OK and see that this is a small drawing that I have, so I'm going to put it somewhere here. After that, I'm going to zoom in and find that right place and double click outside and then selecting this viewport. Right now the scale is 0.03, and that's why we don't see any annotative objects in my drawing. So the scale is supposed to be 3/4, so I'm going to go over and then find it. Scale 3/4 equal to 1. And right after that, all the annotative objects, it shows itself. So I don't need to fix anything because everything basically is now correct. So all I need to do is that I'm going to bring this up a little bit, then move it a little bit to the other side so I can see the whole thing. Okay, everything looks fine. I'm not worried about that they are going within each other. Maybe I just bring this one a little, zoom in here and then bring it down here. Okay, so as I mentioned, this is just regular like any object, so I can move that object. I'm going to select it and I'm going to basically place this one a little lower and then move the other one and then bring it and then place it somewhere else. Okay. Oh, so I did a mistake. I have to fix it. I forgot to change the layer of each of these objects. Basically, remember, we can bring the blocks, and the blocks will be associated with specific layer. Right now, both of them are in a viewport layer. So what I'm going to do is I double click here, and let's go select this object, and I'm going to go to the Home tab, and I'm going to change this one to the section. Nothing is going to be changing, so we leave it as it is, and then double click outside. Do the same thing for the other one, so I'm going to double click here and then change this one to floor plan. Okay, and as you can see, basically as I bring a new object, a new like a layer show itself, and basically if I have a similar like a layers, they don't show itself here. But if I have, if I don't, if I basically have the like a similar one like this one, wall and walls, basically both of them gonna be showing off. If I have only wall layers and I'm consistent, basically all those layers gonna be merged to each other, so it's gonna be only one layer, just like what happened in the dimension. So I'm gonna click outside here and I'm gonna select this object. I'm gonna go to the layout and lock this one as well. So I'm gonna lock this one. Okay, I have selected and here we go. So this one is also right now locked as well.